Welcome. In front of me is a Microsoft Surface Duo, and today I will show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. Now for this we'll need a cable that you use normally for charging, and you want to plug it into your computer. Once you have that ready, keep it somewhere basically in your hand, and you want to start off by holding the power key on your device and selecting power off. Once the device turns off, you then want to hold volume down, and while holding volume down you will plug in the cable. So let me just kind of move it to the side. So I'm gonna start holding volume down, as you can see, and then I'm gonna plug it in. There we go. And this will boot you into the boot mode. So in here, using volume keys, volume up and down, you can navigate, but you want to select recovery mode, which is the second option. So press volume down once basically, and then confirm it with power key. Now next thing you will see is this thing right here, Android with no command. So to get past this, hold power key, press volume up once, and there you go. We are now in a recovery mode. And in here again, using volume keys, you want to select third option, which is enter Fastboot mode, power key, confirm it, and you're done. You're now in Fastboot mode. So that is how you boot into it. And to leave it, again using volume keys, you can navigate, but by default we have Reboot System now selected. So if we want to leave it, we can simply press power key once again, and this will take us back to Android. But as you can see, we can also enter recovery mode, which will take us back one step. So basically where we were just a second ago. We can reboot to bootloader, which will take us 2 steps back, where we had the enter and recovery mode options. And then we have simple power off option. So anyway, I'm gonna stick with the Reboot System now, confirm it, and this will now take me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.